Hey signers, today we are going to learn about business and related terms. And the very first word to start with is the word business. So business, you sign with the letter B, both hands like this. Then you put like this, you say business, business, business. Sell, use this hardship like this in this position, then you say sell. Sell, sell. The word buy, you use this hardship with open palm, you say buy, buy, buy. Cost and the word tax. You use letter T, open palm, on your open palm, then you do like this, tax, tax, tax. Profit, we sign with the letter F. On your left like this, you say profit, profit, profit. Stroke benefit. Benefit is also signed as profit, benefit, benefit. Loss, you say loss, loss, loss. Money, you sign the word money like this, money, money, money. Or you say money, money. Cash, you sign with the letter C, pushing in front. Cash, cash, cash. Pay, you use the letter P on your right, then on your left you use palm. Say pay, pay, pay. Rich, 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 rich. You use both hands, you say wealthy, wealthy stroke tycoon, tycoon. Expensive, expensive, expensive. The word cheap, you say cheap, cheap. Just these two fingers, cheap, cheap. Then the word bribe, bribe, use this hardship, then your left with a fist like this shape, you bring it here, bribe, bribe, bribe. Customer, the word customer, you see, you say customer, customer, customer stroke client, customer stroke client. Trade, you use letter T both hands like this, like business, but now you use letter T. Trade, trade. Borrow, the word borrow, you say borrow, 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 borrow. The word bank, you use this hardship, you do like this, bank, 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 bank. Finance stroke the word fund is signed the same. You use F, then open palm on your left, you do like this. Fund, finance, fund stroke finance. Balance, you're balancing two things. Balance, balance, balance. We have two signs for the word budget. You say budget, budget, and the other one is like this, budget, budget. Bankrupt, you use letter F, facing up, then you just turn like this. Bankrupt, bankrupt, stroke the word broke, broke, broke. Property, you sign with one hand, property, property, property. Manage, the word manage, you use letter M both hands like this, facing each other, moving forward, backward. Manage, manage, manage. Rent, the word rent, you use letter R on your palm twice. You move twice. Rent, rent. Then percentage, just draw the percentage, percentage, percentage. Fee. You say fee. Fee with F. Fee. Fee. Fine stroke penalty. Fine stroke penalty. You say penalty. Penalty stroke fine. Fine stroke penalty. Insurance, the word insurance, you use letter I like this, you say insurance. Insurance. Or you use open palm, insurance. Insurance. Use T, auction. 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 Report, you use letter R, you say report. 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 Committee. Committee, you use letter C on your right side chest, moving to the left. Committee. Committee. Agenda, use letter A, then open palm on your left, from up, down. Agenda. 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 Loan, you use letter L on your palm. Loan. 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 The word chairman, you use letter C on your right shoulder, moving up. Chairman. Chairman. Register, use letter R on your palm. Register. 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 Interest, you sign with X. Interest. 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 Then the word deficit. Deficit, open palm facing up, the other right palm under the left palm going down. Deficit. 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 Advertise stroke advertisement, it is advertise. Advertise stroke advertisement. Advertise stroke advertisement. Contract. Contract, you use these two fingers like this, open palm, the extended index finger touching the palm, then you twist. Contract. 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 Memorandum, you sign like this, memorandum. 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 So that's all for the business and related terms. Until we meet next time, continue learning how to sign.